Hello sir, you say you cannot make an rfid working, so I will take a video and show you how to make rfid work. Because in the first day, some days you say it works fine, but now rfid does not work. I think the main problem is when you change it DRP3. So today I will show you how to make rfid work. First, you need to check start button whether good or not, and this is the rfid loop. You must check this connection good or not. And I use 12 DC power and connect these wires. This is CSP black wire from CSP black wire, and this is foot brake wire or orange hand brake wire. Sorry, it is the hand brake wire, orange wire. And this is the CSP start red wire, and this is the brown turning direct light wire. You need to connect these 4 wires. You can see CSP red wire connect to 12 positive power, and turning direct light wire also connects to 12 positive power. CSP black wire connect to negative power, and orange hand brake wire connect to negative power. After connect and power on, first step we remote start. How to remote start? You need to use white lock wire to touch 12 positive power 3 times. 3. Yes, you can see start button is on. This is the remote start step. First step, brake, press foot brake to touch 12 positive power. Then press start button shortly to push stop. Yes, push stop. Now start button is blink. Now you check this DRP. You can see factory setting. This DRP is all pressed down, not up, all pressed down. Then we program rfid tag. Press this learning button 1 time. Here B 1 time sound. Then press. Yes, put this rfid tag on the rfid loop. Also hear 1 time sound each time. While you hear BB sound 2 times, yes, BB 2 times sound means exit program. Now we test whether program is successful or not. If we program successfully, you put this learning rfid card on the middle of rfid loop. Start button will be on. Yes, you check. Yes, start button is on, means program is successfully. Yes, use lock wire to turn off button. Try another rfid tag. Then use white wire, lock wire to turn off button. Yes. So you can see it is easy. Please follow my way to program. Thank you.